Hi everyone, my name is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup look is going to be an all over sparkly purple monochromatic look, and I am using the BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic palette. I have a couple of these, all the Galaxy themed ones, except for the newest one, I think. I did get them all from Ulta in the States, and probably one of my favorite purchases. They are baked shadows. And I haven't really seen this lately, but my eye is on these two beautiful lavender colors here. They're really sparkly. This is a spring look, so my two favorite colors in the entire world are purple and kind of teal aqua, and they're the two colors we're going to work with this spring. My favorite in the world. So what we're going to do is dive right in. I've already primed my face. My makeup is done. I did put eyeliner on my waterline. So this is the Morphe pencil liner in the shade Faith. And I did the waterline on the top and bottom, and I really pushed it into the lashes on the bottom so you can see here that there's a lot of liner there. And I'm going to work it in with the shadow. I'm really excited to work with this, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to take E25 blending brush by Sigma. Sigma is my favorite brush brand in the world. I'm going to go in, oh, I don't even know which one I want to use. So they are all sparkly. This will not be a matte look by any means. I'm going to try Milky Way. I'm going to tap off my brush, and I'm going to start just applying the shade all over the lid. And how I normally would apply the shadow is with a wet brush, but because I did prime my lids, I did use regular concealer. I used the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer instead of just like usually an eye primer is what I would normally use. But because I'm in a rush today, I'm actually going to make a quick pit stop before I go pick up my son. And so I will be wearing my mask today, so I will not be putting on any lip product. But I'm going to go to Michael's just to take a look and see what they have for plaiting products. Pretty sure they don't have anything in right now because I think they're doing like an overhaul of the store, just kind of organization. So I'm still waiting for products to come in. So the main goal with this shadow is just to make sure that you have it even on both sides. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush. Some people like using a pencil brush, but I still preferred E27, which is just a tinier size of the previous brush I was using. It's a detailed blending brush. I'm going to use the same color and apply it on the lower lash line now and really work it into that liner. So I'm getting a lot of fallout, so I have to remember I do need to tap off my brush. This is such a pretty look for spring and for Easter. It's like so pretty. I cannot believe I haven't done this sooner. So just to give the eye a tiny bit of dimension, I did say it was a monochromatic look, but this is still going to be monochromatic. I'm going to dip into Neptune. So the previous shade was Milky Way. I did use Cosmic a little bit on the lower lash line, but I'm going to go into this dark blue navy color. It's Neptune. Use the E25 and just tap it into the outer crease. Just like so. And it still looks monochromatic, but it does give that hint of shadow. So I really worked it into the crease, and I'm just going to blend it a little bit with Milky Way just so you don't see too much blue. I need to use these shadows more often. That is stunning. Okay, so I'm not using any liner, but I will be putting on lashes. So I'm going to put on tons of mascara right now, and I will let the lashes dry, get that done, and then we'll add some inner corner highlight and we will be all done. The lashes are on, and I'm talking quieter because my daughters just went down for a nap. So lashes need to go in the garbage soon. This is going to be the last time I'm wearing them, and they don't look natural, but that is kind of the point. I wanted some drama with today's look, and I think I got it with these lashes. They're the same ones I've been using for the past while. They're Sensity by Cala, and they're 3D Faux Mink. They are my favorite lashes in the world. And they do have a lot of different varieties to make them like a lot shorter. So for someone who's not into the crazy lash look, there are some that are more normal looking. For the final touch, I'm just going to add some inner corner highlight with my Mary Lou by the Balm, my favorite highlighter ever. I'm going to add some underneath the brow. And also to the inner corner. And that is it. So I know this was a very quick look. Usually monochromatic looks usually are. They don't take much work. And I hope you guys enjoyed this one. So if you did, please give a huge thumbs up to this video. Also, if you're new here, I would love if you would subscribe. And last but not least, click that bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. We'll talk to you guys again soon. Happy spring!